Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. In this video, we will talk about something very helpful. If you want to build an app but you don't know how to do coding, then this video is for you. Today, we will see some tools that can help you to make apps without writing any code. This is called no-code app building. That means you don't need to learn programming. You can just use simple tools, click and just drag and drop, and you can build your own app. You can use these apps for your own use, for your business, or for your idea. So if you want to build something smart and save time and money, this video will help you to understand which tool is best for you. Also, don't forget to check the description below this video. There will be official link for all the tools I talk about in the video. So if any prices or feature changes after some time, you can get the updated information from the link of the description. Now let's talk about the last tool of our list, and the tool name is Glide. This is a very popular no-code platform. It helps you to build mobile app and web apps very fast. You can just use your Google Sheet or Excel file and Glide will turn it into a working app. This is great if you want to build something for managing a small business, or maybe to keep customer data, or maybe a booking app. The free version is good for testing and it has many features already. If you want more design control, or if you want to connect more data sources, there are paid plan also. But for starting up, many people use the free version for learning and building small apps. Also, it is very easy to use for beginners. Now let's talk about the second tool of our list, and that is the Adelo. This one is very useful when you want to create a real mobile app that can be installed on Android or iPhone. The good thing about Adelo is that it has many templates. You can use these templates if you don't know where to start. Also, it gives you database support, so you can store your user data. For example, if you want to make a food delivery app, or a fitness app, or a to-do list app, you can try Adelo. It gives you a lot of design freedom and it feels like you are building something real even if you don't know any coding. It has a free plan also, but if you want to publish your app on Google Play Store or Apple App Store, then you need to upgrade the paid plan. So first you can try the free one, then later you can upgrade. Now let's move on to our first tool, and the name is the App Giver. So this one is a little different because it is also useful for big companies, but also it has free for individual and small business use. AppGavier gives you the full control to design your app, like using drag and drop. You can also make logic flow, which means you can decide what happens when a user clicks on something or when something changes in the app. It is a bit more advanced than the other two tools, but still no coding. So if you are serious and want more power, then AppGavier is a good choice. It also works on web, Android and iOS. The learning curve is a little more than the other tools, but you can find many guides on their website. And again, it's free for small users, so that's a big plus. So now you know about 3 very good no coding tools to build your AI powered or normal apps like Glide, Adelo and AppGiver. All of these have a free version. All of them are helpful even if you never wrote a single line of code in your life. So you can try all of them and see which one is better for you. Some tools are better in simple apps and some tools are better in full mobile apps. So it really depends on what kind of app you need or you want. But there is no matter which one you choose, this tool will save your time and money, and you will feel good to make something by yourself. So that was the video for today. I hope this video helped you. If this did, then please don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. I will see you in the next one.